Web3 gaming represents a revolutionary intersection of blockchain technology and interactive entertainment, heralding a new era in the gaming industry. This article serves as your comprehensive guide to understanding the intricacies of Web3 gaming, providing insights into the top Web3 games and Web3 gaming companies that are meeting this digital transformation. And whether you're a seasoned gamer curious about the transition from traditional to Web3 gaming, or a crypto enthusiast eager to understand the synergy between gaming and blockchain, this guy has you covered. We'll introduce you to the best Web3 games that are redefining player experience and discuss the innovative mechanics that set these games apart. Additionally, our curated list of top Web3 games will serve as a valuable resource for enthusiasts and gamers alike. And Web3 gaming at its core is an innovative fusion of traditional gaming elements with the decentralized, secure, and transparent features of blockchain technology. Unlike traditional gaming, where the gaming data and assets are centrally controlled, Web3 gaming introduces a decentralized approach. This paradigm shift allows players to have true ownership of in-game assets, such as skins, characters, and virtual real estate in the form of non-fungible tokens. This ownership is verifiable and transferable across different platforms thanks to the underlying blockchain technology. The integration of cryptocurrencies in Web3 gaming also introduces novel monetization models, including play-to-earn or P2E. And in these models, players can potentially earn cryptocurrency rewards for their in-game achievements and participation, adding a layer of financial incentive that goes beyond traditional gaming experiences. And to decentralize, the emphasis on decentralized autonomous organizations. These player-driven governance structures enable a more democratic and transparent way of making decisions about the game's future, including updates and rule changes. This level of player involvement is unprecedented in traditional gaming paradigms. A rise of Web3 games can be traced back to the increasing interest in blockchain technology and the success of early blockchain-based games like CryptoKitties, which demonstrated the potential for integrating blockchain with gaming. This success sparked a wave of innovation, leading to more sophisticated and engaging Web3 games. Web3 games have gradually evolved to offer complex gameplay and rich narratives, rivaling their traditional counterparts. This evolution is driven by advancements in blockchain technology, enabling faster transaction speeds, improved scalability, and enhanced user experience. As a result, these games have started to attract not just blockchain enthusiasts, but also mainstream gamers. The rise is also fueled by the increasing awareness and acceptance of cryptocurrencies and NFTs among the general public. As people become more comfortable with these concepts, the barrier of Web3 gaming diminishes, leading to a broader and more diverse player base. Another factor contributing to the rise of Web3 games is the growing interest from traditional gaming studios and developers in exploring blockchain technology. This interest is leading to partnerships, investments, and development efforts aimed at creating hybrid models that blend the best of both worlds, the immersive experiences of traditional gaming with the innovative features of Web3. The rise of Web3 games marks a significant shift in how we perceive and interact with digital content. It represents not just a new form of entertainment, but also the new economy where players have a real stake and say in the gaming worlds they inhabit, right? And the landscape of Web3 games is rich and varied, offering a multitude of experiences that cater different tastes and interests. These games are not just technologically advanced, but also creatively diverse, ranging from simple collectibles and strategy games to complex virtual worlds with rich narratives. In this segment, we explore some of the best Web3 games that have captivated players worldwide. And to understand what makes a Web3 game stand out, it's essential to look at the best examples in the market. Axie Infinity, often likened to Pokemon, this game allows players to collect, breed, and battle creatures called Axes. What sets it apart is its robust economy, where players can earn cryptocurrency through skilled gameplay and contributions to the ecosystem. The Decentraland, more than just a game, Decentraland is a virtual world where players can buy, develop, and trade land and assets, all verified on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a prime example of a virtual economy where players have true ownership and control over their digital assets. The Sandbox, this is a community-driven platform where players can create, own, and monetize their gaming experiences. The use of NFTs and the game's native cryptocurrencies, Sand, allows for a unique, player-driven economy. As one of the earliest introductions of NFTs to the mainstream, CryptoKitties allows players to buy, collect, breed, and sell virtual cats. Its simplicity and novelty factor have made it a staple in the discussion of NFT-based games. Right? Merging the world of fantasy sports with blockchain, SORAR lets players collect, trade, and play with officially licensed digital cards of soccer players. It's an excellent example of how real-world sports can intersect with Web3 gaming. Illuvium, an open-world RPG game built on the Ethereum blockchain, Illuvium offers a visually stunning experience with a decentralized governance model, allowing players to participate in the game's decision-making with a process, and then make the gods unchained. A strategic trading card game that empowers players by offering real ownership of their cards. It combines traditional card game strategies with the unique benefits of blockchains and pull-pan. This game blends elements of DeFi with NFT collectibles. Players can stake tokens on their Ebijachis, enhancing their attributes and increasing their value. The mechanics of Web3 games are what distinguish them from traditional gaming, introducing new layers of engagement and interaction. Here are some of the most popular mechanics found in Web3 games. True digital ownership. Players have real ownership of their in-game assets, thanks to blockchain technology. These assets, often NFTs, can be bought, sold, or traded on various marketplaces, providing players with tangible value for their in-game achievements. And what is there die? And that's basically one be made in an article on Whelan on the little left, and what is there sell on the main capable of these action to the end by providing financial incentives for gameplay and decentralized autonomous organizations. Many Web3 games use DAOs for governance, allowing players to vote on key decisions regarding game updates, rules, and future development. This fosters a sense of community and gives players a stake in the game's direction. Interoperability, unlike traditional games where assets are confined to the game they were created for, Web3 games often allow for asset interoperability across multiple games and platforms, enhancing the utility and value of in-game assets. And a game is easy to enjoy, tokenize as well. This not only enables easy transactions within and also outside the game, for example, but also integrates with the broader DeFi ecosystem, opening up tokenizes new financial opportunities for players. Provable scarcity and rarity. Blockchain enables the creation of items with provable scarcity and unique attributes, increasing their collectability and value. These self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, and that's govern any transactions within Web3 games, ensuring fairness and transparency. The surge in Web3 gaming has given rise to a new breed of gaming companies that are at the forefront of blending blockchain technology with interactive entertainment. These companies are not only game developers, but innovators who are reshaping the gaming landscape with their unique approaches to decentralized gaming and cryptocurrency integration. And here are some of the leading companies that are making significant strides in the Web3 gaming space. The creators of Axie Infinity, Sky Mavis, have established themselves as a powerhouse in the Web3 gaming world. Their innovative approach to play-to-earn gaming and NFT integration has set new standards in the industry, being a backing known for backing a sandbox and other blockchain ventures. Animoca Brands is a key player in the space with a vision to drive digital property rights via the NFTs and build an open metaverse. Dapper Labs, the company behind CryptoKitties and Flow Blockchain Dapper Labs, has been instrumental in bringing blockchain to the mainstream through their engaging and accessible games. As the minds behind the popular fantasy football game that uses blockchain, Sorare has carved a niche in combining sports with Web3 gaming, creating a unique and compelling experience. Decentral Games, operating in the virtual world of Decentraland. Decentral Games is pioneering in the realm of decentralized virtual casinos and gaming experiences, blending entertainment with player-owned economies. Mythical Games, with their focus on building games where players are part owners and stakeholders. Mythical Games is pushing the boundaries of how games are played, shared, and monetized. That engine is known for creating an ecosystem for NFTs that can be used across various games. Engine is a significant contributor to the concept of a multiverse, where assets are interoperable across different gaming platforms, and cryptocurrency plays a pivotal role in the ecosystem of Web3 gaming, fundamentally altering how value is created, distributed, and exchanged within games. Here are key ways in which crypto is integral to Web3 gaming. Facilitating in-game transactions. Cryptocurrencies provide a seamless medium for transactions within Web3 games. Whether it's purchasing items, trading assets, or paying for service, ensures fast, secure, and borderless transactions. And enabling true digital ownership through the use of crypto wallets. Players have real ownership of their in-game assets. This not only adds a layer of security, but also allows players to have control over their assets outside the game environment. How catch you are behind the day-to-day. Have a prior to that, we should be originated in making it. And then only directly some major models, and then worship to 5 reasons, but also a potential source of income. Governance and voting. In many Web3 games, players use cryptocurrencies as governance tokens, allowing them to participate in the decision-making process for the game's development and updates, and staking and yield farming. Some Web3 games incorporate elements of DeFi, allowing players to stake their crypto tokens to earn rewards or to enhance their in-game assets and abilities. DNA decentralized economy. Cryptocurrencies are central to creating a player-driven economy within games where the value is determined by the community and market dynamics rather than by the game developers alone. Web3 game developers are at the cutting edge of integrating blockchain technology with gaming. The latest report by Footprint Analytics for October 2023 reveals a landscape of both opportunities and challenges. Despite a significant growth in token market capitalization, developers face hurdles in user acquisition and retention, with 73.1% of games having fewer than 10 active users created while the industry is expanding. With a total of 2,651 games, attracting and keeping players engaged remains a key challenge. Notably, the Web3 game development landscape is geographically diverse, with the Asia-Pacific region leading the charge, hosting 40% of Web3 game developers. Notably, the United States remains a significant market, accounting for 30% of Web3 game development teams. South Korea has also emerged as a key player, contributing 27% to the Web3 gaming teams, nearly doubling its involvement from the previous year. A Footprint Analytics report highlights an interesting development with the upcoming release of Gas Hero by Find Satoshi Lab, known for their successful game Steppen. Set for a community beta in late 2023, Gas Hero is an MMO set in a sci-fi world, distinct from Steppen's focus on physical activity. It's expected to bring a fresh narrative and immersive experience to the Web3 gaming space, using Polygon blockchain and leveraging GMT tokens. The Footprint Analytics report underscores a crucial trend in the Web3 gaming industry. While the number of games is increasing, active user growth is lagging, with only a smaller proportion of games having more than
1,000 monthly active users. This suggests a false boom, raising questions about the industry's sustainability.
Despite these challenges, the industry sees promising developments. For instance, Sega's co-COO Shuji Utsumi expressed optimism about blockchain gaming and NFTs, marking a shift in attitude from traditional gaming, such as giants. Furthermore, the dominance of blockchains like BNB, Ethereum, and Polygon in hosting Web3 games is evident, with new partnerships such as Immutable's collaboration with Amazon Web Services to provide infrastructure solutions for Web3 gaming. The market capitalization of Web3 gaming tokens has seen a notable increase in October 2023, aligning with Bitcoin's surge. Standout projects like Axie Infinity have shown resilience and growth, suggesting that despite the broader market conditions, there is potential for success in the Web3 gaming sector. Moreover, the Web3 gaming sector has seen significant investments, where they reported $19 billion funneled into related projects since 2018. Despite a market correction in 2022, investment in Web3 as gaming stabilized in 2023, maintaining pre-bull market levels. Notably, sports, MMOs, RPGs, and action game genres have attracted the most funding. The majority of the Web3 gaming ecosystem comprises indie-level and mid-sized projects, with high-budget AA and AAA titles being relatively scarce. RPG, action, strategy, and casual games dominate the Benchmark spectrum. Interestingly, most Web3 games are free-to-play, but a significant portion requires players to hold specific NFTs to access the game. Furthermore, blockchain networks targeting the gaming sector are expanding despite market challenges.
In 2023 alone, the announcement of over 81 new blockchain networks focusing on gaming indicated a 40% year-over-year growth. Developers primarily built the majority of Web3 games on general use L1 networks like Ethereum. However, there's a rising interest in L2 and L3 solutions, particularly in Optimism's L2, L3 networks.
The play-to-earn model is a revolutionary concept in Web3 gaming that intertwines gaming achievements with real-world economic incentives. This model not only enhances player engagement, also creates a new avenue for income generation through gaming. Play-to-earn games in the Web3 space enable players to earn digital assets or cryptocurrencies as rewards for gameplay and achievements. These rewards often come in the form of NFTs or native game tokens. The P2E model capitalizes on blockchain technology to authenticate and secure these transactions, ensuring transparent and fair distribution of rewards. This model has opened up new opportunities for players, particularly in regions with limited access to traditional financial systems, that by providing a platform where their gaming skills and strategies can translate into tangible economic benefits. And Circle was successfully implemented the P2E model, gaining popularity and a dedicated player base. And notable examples include Push People and Axie Infinity and its vibrant ecosystem with engaging gameplay. Players breed, raise, and battle fantasy creatures called Axies, earning tokens that they can trade or sell in Decentraland. Players can create and monetize content and applications in this virtual world, earning cryptocurrency for their creation and land transactions. And the Sandbox. This user-generated content platform allows players to create, own, and monetize gaming experiences using Sand, the platform's native token. Alien worlds and NFT DeFi metaverse where players can mine and battle for Trillium, the native token, and collect unique NFTs. Splinterlands, a digital collectible card game where players earn rewards based on their gameplay and the rarity of the cards they collect. And these games have popularized the play-to-earn model and demonstrated its creative integration into various gaming genres and platforms. They offer varied and engaging experiences to players while providing economic incentives. To get the latest updates in the world of Web3 gaming, readers should visit newsbtc.com and bitcoinist.com. Additionally, both websites provide up-to-date news covering the latest developments, trends, and insights in the Web3 gaming sector. Web3 gaming refers to a new generation of games that integrate blockchain technology, offering decentralized gameplay, true digital ownership of in-game assets, and often incorporating play-to-earn models. Top Web3 games include Axie Infinity, Decentraland, The Sandbox, Illuvium, and Big Time, each known for unique gameplay and blockchain integration. The best Web3 games are subjective, but popular choices are Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and The Sandbox, recognized for their engaging content and robust player communities. Leading Web3 gaming companies include Sky Mavis, Axie Infinity, a number of White Holidays manages, often 25 tips. And number 5 components of Visavo is involved a Web3 gaming crypto refers to cryptocurrencies used within Web3 games for transactions, rewards, and governance, such as AXS and Axie Infinity, or Sand in the Sandbox. Web3 games built on blockchain technology feature elements like cryptocurrency integration, NFT-based assets, and decentralized governance. You can find the latest news on websites like newsbtc.com and bitcoinist.com, which cover new game launches, market trends, and industry developments. Popular play-to-earn games include Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and The Sandbox, where players can earn cryptocurrency or NFTs through gameplay.